Let the kiddos show off their personality when they wear these cute shoes by SKECHERS. They feature a textile upper with a round toe silhouette that has a sock-like construction with a stretchy collar for easy slip-on and pull loops at the tongue and back of the ankle to assist them with on and off. They have an all-over fabric knit design that is breathable to keep their feet nice and cool, and they have a lightweight and snug construction for all-day comfort. They also have an all-over colorful print with a glittery finish to give them a fun style they'll want to show off to their friends. Inside, there is a textile lining with some padding at the back of the heel for added support, and a removable air-cooled memory foam footbed that molds to their feet, giving them maximum comfort throughout the day. The lightweight midsole adds contrast and has a cool gradient detail for added flair. They also have a sturdy and durable build, and they'll get a small lift from the platform. It's all on top of a durable and flexible synthetic outsole that is textured to give them the best grip.